Hello, you beautiful people. Just an introvert kid trying to be extrovert in front of the camera. So I'm back again with another topic that need to be discussed. I know, यार, funny content expect होता है everything, but there are some more important things that need to be discussed. So हमें ये तो पता है कि what we should not say when someone is in depression, but कोई इस चीज़ का जवाब नहीं दे पाता when we ask that what we should say when someone's in depression. So I got some points. Let's talk about it. First of all, listen to them very quietly. Do not interrupt in between. It's hard for a person to open up real quick when he or she is suffering from a thing like depression. Give them the time they need. Give them the time they deserve. उन्हें सुने. And don't start comparing their problems with your own or any other person. उन्हें नहीं सुनना है कि आपने कोई चीज़ कैसे फेस करी या किसी और ने वो चीज़ कैसे फेस करी. Everyone here handles the pain differently, and when you say these things कि मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल दूँ कि मैंने इतना फेस किया है या उसका एग्जाम्पल दूँ इसका एग्जाम्पल दूँ, it feels all the more hard. Trust me guys. So no, please don't compare किसी की भी problems. No, you don't have. Don't give them advices unless asked for. क्या होता है ना, हम सब साइकोलॉजिस्ट तो बने ही पड़े हैं, है ना. एक किसी का आ जाए मैसेज कि भैया वी आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम, सुनोगे ही नहीं उसकी. यू विल जस्ट टाइप पड़ा सा पैराग्राफ पॉजिटिविटी का वो एंड ऑल. इट्स गुड, आई अप्रिशिएट दैट, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड उस वक्त ये नहीं चाहिए होता. डिप्रेशन इज समथिंग मोर देन अ नॉर्मल थिंग. Resist the urge of giving advices. Rather, listen to them. We all have already heard of it. We know we can get out of it. So only give them advices when genuinely asked for. Tell them you're there. Tell them I'm here. I am ready to listen to you. I'm ready to help you in any way, in any possible way I can. Whatever you're feeling is not your fault, and there's nothing wrong with you. Genuinely mean it. Don't just say it for the sake of saying, because we can judge how genuine you mean. I understand we can be happy, or at least look happy time to time, because depression is not equal to normal sadness. We people tend to stay confused between sadness and depression. कोई बोलता है कि मेरे गंदे मार्क्स आ गए, मैं बहुत डिप्रेस्ड हूँ. People tend to confuse. You see, मतलब तुम normally sad हो, depressed नहीं. Depressed is something really very big, and it's a very big term to use. तो इसमें भी confuse ना हो कि आप sad है या depression. Learn the difference first. Don't just say it कि मैं depressed हूँ. Staying back to the point, a person with depression can be doing things like everyone does. So don't judge that they cannot be depressed. You don't know ये person के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है कब. Always try to return back to their calls or messages. I know at times you are not available for the person. It's not every time that everyone will, मतलब every time someone will be there, every legit time, no. But as soon as you get time, please get back to their messages and calls and everything. Most important thing, don't start looking at them differently. जब आपको पहले पता नहीं था कि वो डिप्रेशन में है, and the way you were treating them before, treat them exactly the same, because you know why these people avoid opening up. This is the reason. Don't start treating them differently. No, they don't want that. they want to be treated as simple as same as they were treated before anyone knew that they are in depression. Don't gossip about their depression story with another people. If a person wants to tell them, the person eventually will. It's their story, not yours. As simple as that. Instead of asking them to do this, do that, indulge with some activities they love. Like depression ना एक छोटी बहुत छोटी चीज से भी हो सकता है, और सेम है खुशी के साथ. छोटी छोटी बातों से भी तुम्हें खुशी मिल सकती है, एंड यू नो दैट. सो ट्राई डूइंग समथिंग जिनसे उन्हें खुशी मिले. खुशी, जिस छोटी सी स्माइल आ जाए उनके चेहरे पे. इतना तो कर सकते हो, सब कर सकते हैं. तो if they like certain things, you can send picture of that thing, या फिर कुछ भी, and don't make them feel कि आप उनके लिए कर रहे हैं. No, don't make it look like it's a favor to them. Just do it. Just do it. And if, और मेरी मानो, जब आपको कोई बोलेगा ना कि यार तेरी बातें सुन के मैं इंस्पायर होता या होती हूँ, तूने मुझे बहुत संभाला, खुद के दिल को भी बड़ी खुशी मिलती है यार. Last but not the least, please be careful and mindful of what you say. If topic like suicide, depression, anxiety comes up to you, respect that. Be respectful to that topic and understand of what you say. Don't just keep things, words because you have to. No, it does not work like that. जब आप कुछ बोलते हो ना, especially in these cases, take care कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो, because छोटी से छोटी चीज भी यहाँ बहुत ट्रिगर हो जाती है. एट वेरी लास्ट में ही बोलना चाहूँगी, spread love and kindness and be there for each other, okay? And if you're genuinely willing to, तभी, वरना दिखावे की चीज तो ज़्यादा देर तक रहती नहीं है. Know that if you are here, you are loved and you are here for a reason, okay? I am proud of you. I am very, very proud of you. To whomsoever who's watching this, listen, I am proud of you, okay? You got this. You're really very strong. And lots of love from my side and Jappees. Okay, that got a little bit cheesy, but yeah. ख्याल रखिए अपना. Stay safe. I hope you all are safe. And yeah, love.